Hey guys, it's Kaitlyn. We're going to talk about Restylane fillers today. Which one's the best, where they should be injected, how long they last. So let's break it down. Restylane is one of the most popular family of fillers that we have on the market today. They are all made from what's called hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a substance that we naturally have in our skin, but of course, as we age, that production decreases, which is why we will see volume loss throughout our life. Filler is used basically to replace volume. So you can take Restylane filler and use it in a lot of areas of the face. There are about 4 main kinds of Restylane fillers. There's Restylane Lift, just plain Restylane, Restylane Refine, and Restylane Define. Restylane Lift is used for areas that need a lot of volume. So think like you're lifting the cheeks. So the perfect area for Restylane Lift is in the cheeks. Restylane is another filler that I like to use under the eye. So as we age, we have fat pads that separate, and that creates the appearance of what we call tear troughs, and it actually can make someone look really tired even though they're not tired. I use Restylane there because I feel like it personally just stays put very well. Restylane Refine and Restylane Define are 2 of the newer Restylane fillers out on the market, and they are formulated a little bit differently. They are used for areas in like the lower half of the face. So you can use the products in your lips, you can use them in what's called the nasolabial fold and the marionette lines. You can even inject Restylane Refine into those little small superficial vertical lipstick lines, smoker lines that we have above the lips. Most of these fillers are FDA approved to last anywhere from 1 year to 1.5 years. However, ideally, they really just don't last that long, especially if you have a really high metabolism or if you're very active. I usually tell my patients that they will see the filler wearing off around 6 months, so they will most likely need maintenance treatments anywhere from about 6 to 9 months. Your body just naturally absorbs and breaks apart the filler particles. Again, it's made of hyaluronic acid. Your body naturally has hyaluronic acid, so most of the time your skin will see the filler as more of a just natural substance. Filler is meant to be injected naturally and subtly. When you see someone who is overdone, it usually is because they have far too much filler in their face. It is injected in inappropriate areas, or it was injected too quickly. So for example, if somebody had too much filler in their lips one day, they're going to look very pouty and puffy, versus if you did 1 syringe one day and then waited 1 or 2 months to add the next syringe. The cost of the syringes really just ranges on the office that you're going to and what part of the US you're in. There are some areas that are more expensive than others. I would say on average the cost per syringe is anywhere from $600 probably up to about $900. For your face, you could have multiple syringes injected in one visit. It just depends on the look that you are going for and how much volume loss there is. You may have also heard of Juvederm fillers. Juvederm and Restylane are made by 2 different companies, so they're essentially competitors to each other. Most offices do carry both of the brands. I carry both brands in our med spa. I find that each company has great fillers, and there's certain fillers that are meant for some areas of the face and they work better than other fillers. If you have any questions about filler, you can visit our website at yourwellnesscenter.com.